Today, you're going to learn how to report your self-employment income in the US using ChatGPT to guide you through each step. This tutorial is perfect for freelancers, gig workers, contractors, side hustlers, and anyone earning income outside a regular W-2 job. Before you begin, gather your total income earned from clients, your receipts, your business expenses, and any 1099 NEC or 1099K forms. These prompts will help you stay organized and understand what the IRS expects. Start with the first prompt. Help me report my self-employment income for my US tax return. Here is my income, expenses, and filing status. Insert details. This gives you a simple overview of what forms you need, usually Schedule C and Schedule SE. Next, get a clearer breakdown using Organize my self-employment income into a clean summary. I can report on Schedule C, include totals and categories. This helps you sort your earnings into business categories the IRS recognizes. To capture expenses correctly, use Help me list allowable business expenses based on my work. Create categories and totals. ChatGPT will separate expenses like supplies, travel, software, and home office costs with examples. If you're unsure how much tax you might owe, ask, estimate my self-employment tax and income tax based on these numbers. This gives you a preview of Social Security, Medicare, and federal taxes. For accuracy, double-check everything with list the most common mistakes people make when reporting self-employment income and help me see if any apply to my situation. Before finishing, build a follow-up habit using create a simple monthly routine to track self-employment income and expenses so next year's tax filing is easier. And that's it. Once everything is organized, reporting self-employment income becomes much simpler. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to guide your numbers with confidence. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.